Today, my friend has called me and said, love thy neighbor. I passed on this message to the team. They took me seriously. Before the press conference starts, just put on the AC. I think it's going to heat up over here. Dear journalists, peace. Welcome. As always, you will only focus on the positives. See, I was once traveling from Majestic to Baswangudi. There was a auto that was going in front of me and I read a quote which I will use today. The world has enough sorrow. Today, only happiness we shall borrow and look forward to a better tomorrow. Yes, Sajji, let's start with you. What is your question?
Do you think the momentum of the team is ruined with 2 back-to-back losses?
See, Ajay, what you want to understand means the moment is nothing but the quality of the motion for a moving object. See, as a team, we are always moving forward, like the amazing 70 by DDP or Virat, how nicely he batted. This means our moment is always the same since we have never stopped. Also, see, momentum is measured as a product of a mass and velocity. And as you know, we have a mass fan base who are always at their top velocity to support us. So if you think we have lost it, it's only for a few seconds because it's called a momentum and not a R term. I hope I've answered your question. Selva Lakshmi. I know you want to ask me a question. Go for it.
Sir, so how does RCB plan to fight back from what happened today?
See, Selva Lakshmi, although the results have not been in our favor, we are in the same place on the points table. Not moved up, not moved down. That is also a consistent performance. And as we all know, consistency is the key to success. So we don't have to panic anything right now. Okay. Yamamoto, please ask me your question, pa.
Do you think the result would be different if the RCB won the toss today?
See, Yamamoto, a wise man once said, if you focus on results, you will never change. But if you focus on change, you will get a results. But we cannot change the result of the toss because that is up to the mood of the time. So let us not focus on the toss. Let's just toss that out of here and let's move to the next question, which will be asked by the Kumara.
Sir, you have only 1 day before next match. How you plan to prepare for that one?
See, Kumara, I'm going to give you some hot facts that will make you shut your mouth. You see, in 1 day, the earth itself will go 1 full round. Our bodies will lose and reproduce up to 50 trillion cells. The world's chickens will lay 190 million eggs. The world's population will flush the toilet 22 billion times. If all this can happen, anything can happen. I hope I've answered your question and you will shut your mouth. Mr. John from UK, please ask me your question.
You lost consecutive wickets. What do you got to say about that?
See, John, you are focusing on the negative. Why not look at the positive? See, we have built a team culture that nobody should be alone. That is why when one fellow gets out, everybody comes and goes back fast inside because they all want to be together. That is the teamwork that we have built. Deep Dos from Kolkata, please.
What do you think was the main reason for today's loss?
See, firstly, I want to put a case against Dwayne Bravo because he is saying medium pacer, but he comes and bowls slow. What is that? Our batsmen are confused. They don't know what is going to come. If he is a fast bowler, you bowl fast. Why are you bowling slow? I don't understand that. See, dear journalists, now I will see you after the next game. If we win, then it's easy for me. But if we lose, I have to find new reasons and I'm running out of them. So in case you are watching this video, you can also contribute. Let us hope that we win and we can take the credit together. But if we lose, then we have to work closely.